passive income is the only way of earning money without any effort or stress. You may even make millions of dollars with your passive income. The millionaires actually got rich by having several passive income streams. In this video, we will be sharing with you the 10 passive income streams that will make you a millionaire very quickly. Don't miss the last income stream, as it has the potential to produce money without any tiny effort. Now let's start. 1. Earning money online by using cashback websites. Using cashback websites to make money is about as passive as it gets. Your daily routine may remain same. You need just be more deliberate in your purchasing decisions. Spending money on cashback websites is a double-edged sword. One may reasonably conclude that this will not facilitate an early retirement. It is still possible, though, to be paid for doing nothing. Plus, there's no cost involved at all. Get paid to purchase online by signing up for cashback programs. Members get a rebate of a proportion of their total expenditures through these sites. Swagbucks is one example of a cashback program. 2. Investment in stocks. Not everyone views investing in stocks and bonds as a smart way to generate passive income. The goal is to have enough passive income in retirement to live comfortably on stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Businesses that require capital to get off the ground get this via initial public offerings, IPOs, or borrowing. Initial public offering, IPO, is a new stock issuance in which shares of a private company are offered to the public. It is possible to join the ranks of the owners of a firm by purchasing its shares. Stocks are cheap relative to their true value now, since the market is falling. A strong passive income may be achieved before the typical retirement age if you save money diligently and look for good value, dividend-paying equities. It's important to spread your investments around to lessen the blow if one of your assets suddenly tanks. Do subscribe our channel and also press the like button if you want to know the best earning tricks. 3. Amazon FBA. For those seeking a passive means of financial independence, Amazon has become a goldmine of opportunity. You may use the Amazon marketplace if you have products to offer online. A lot of stuff may be found on Amazon. Third largest website in the United States. The Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, platform is only one of many fulfillment options that Amazon provides. Similar to eBay's FBA program, all you need to do to make money is locate customers for the products you list. Using FBA is helpful since it eliminates most of your worries. 4. Sell stock photos online. If you have a lot of spare time on your hands and like taking images, selling stock photos might be a great way to make some extra money on the side. Photos uploaded to stock photography services like Shutterstock may be purchased and resold for a profit. You may take pictures in whichever specialty interests you: travel, cuisine, or sports, most. As a freelance photographer, you have access to several stock photography websites where you may list your photographs for sale. Even while this might be a time-consuming endeavor, if you shoot hundreds of high-quality photographs, you would appreciate every minute of it if photography is one of your passions. 5. Become a silent business partner. Becoming a silent partner in a company is one of the most effective ways to earn passive income that few people know about. Rather than giving the company a loan, you make an equity investment. You will then get a share of the company's net income, with your investment guaranteed by a proportion of the company's total assets. You may find companies looking for silent partners on many websites. If you want to invest in a small company but don't feel like giving your best buddy tens of thousands of dollars for a 10% ownership in their restaurant, you have your pick among thousands of startups and small enterprises. The danger may be mitigated by spreading your investment capital over many new ventures. 6. Money lending as a source of interest income. The interest you get from lending money to others is a great source of passive income. We are not advocating giving money to a buddy who is in need but never repays loans. A private lender is someone who lends money to people they know personally. For the initial acquisition of properties, many investors in the fix and flip market, for instance, require a source of finance that can be tapped into relatively fast. As a business partner, you may lend them money for a limited time at a rate of interest that the two of you have agreed on. 7. Making money from your blog. One way that many people are able to quit trading their time for money is via blogging. You may use WordPress to create a blog about your travels and share your experiences with the world. The best way to remember your travels is to document them in writing. Many avenues exist for financial success. Apply to ad networks like Google AdSense and place their code in your sidebar. You will earn a commission from an advertising partner such as Google for each click that results from your promotion. 8. Affiliate advertising. If your blog has a significant amount of daily visitors, you may monetize it by placing advertising on it and charging readers a fee whenever one of those ads is seen. This might amount to a significant sum of money if your site has a lot of visitors. Essentially, the goal of affiliate marketing is to promote things in exchange for a commission. If you have a blog, website, or social media profile, you may start making money by linking to products. This is a hands-off way to make money. However, you still need to put in some work to ensure that your blog attracts a large enough audience to make the ad revenue worthwhile. Although content creation is obligatory, you always have the option of outsourcing this task to someone else. 9. Making money online. Google advertising are a major source of cash for many sites. Affiliate marketing, as we've just discussed, may be a source of income for certain people. Taking over an existing blog is something most people are unaware of. Evergreen content is material that remains relevant over time and continues to bring in money passively. You should expect a rise in monthly income and site visitors if you update your material often. As a result, there's a better chance of making money by flipping websites. 10. Renting a car. Using one of the many applications that connect renters and automobile owners, you may generate passive money by renting out your spare vehicle. Set a minimum number of rental days and provide a little discount to increase your car's demand, both of which can help you earn more money. If you have a vehicle that you are willing to rent out for additional money, this is one of the easiest methods to do so online right now. By renting out your vehicle on such sites, you may easily bring in hundreds of dollars per month. The Get-Around app, for instance, facilitates the introduction of automobile owners to those in need of temporary vehicle use. That's all for today. Now you know all the best passive income streams. You got all the ideas of best passive incomes. The rich people build up passive income sources, and that later on serves them as the primary income. They make money while sleeping, just because the passive income doesn't require an effort. Instead of keeping your cash in home, you can put it in stocks and bonds, as we have already discussed. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button if you are new to our channel and want to know the best financial tricks and advices. Press the like button also to motivate us. Share this video with all of your mates and office partners. Comment below if you have any suggestions for us. Thank you for watching till here.